Hey guys, welcome back to Weld.com. So, as you all know, we're in the middle of a pandemic, and due to that fact, Fabtech 2020 that was supposed to take place in Las Vegas, Nevada this year will not happen. So every year we go out to Fabtech, we talk to some of the cool vendors that are out there, some of the products that we use, and kind of bring you the best of Fabtech so that everybody can enjoy it. Well, since this year nobody's gonna be able to enjoy it, we're gonna do just that. So each day of this week, we're gonna bring you an awesome new cool tool from one of the folks that we work with on our show on a regular basis. So the first episode is going to be Armor Tool. We use those products in a lot of our videos you've seen where we do the fabrication and stuff. These clamps are awesome. They got an awesome video presentation for you to check out. Be sure to stick around to the end for a chance to win some of these cool tools.
Hello, my name is Don Robinette. I am the welding instructor here at MTech in Morgantown, West Virginia. I am not a social media personality and I am not a salesperson, but I did want to talk to you about some Armor tools that we like to use here with our students. We used to use the regular conventional ones that had the adjustment screw on them here. We found that they were kind of hard for the kids to use because when we're here, we deal with a lot of donated metal. We get different sizes, different thicknesses, and the kids sometimes have trouble with this. And for those of you who are in the field, you know, they pick it up, don't have a good grip on it, it falls out, it cuts cables, it lands on toes, those type of things. So we started using Armor clamps. Armor clamps has this nice little adjustment screw right in here that you can adjust the tension on, so it doesn't matter what size thickness you want to pick up, you can pick it up, okay? Then you can let it down. Has the release button that you can get onto it right there. And you can see that right there was about 1.5 inches thick, and I can go over this piece and I can pick it up. No adjustment whatsoever. Okay. We also like it too when we're welding on the tables, doing little projects. We have these other clamps where we can just take and the kids can slide a piece over there, just clamp it down, and it's ready to go. They can square it up, they're ready to weld. And once again, it doesn't matter what size thickness we have, there is no adjustment. They just put it down there, clamp it, and it's good to go just like that. That's kind of why we like to use Armor clamps. It's a lot safer for the kids. It's a lot better for the kids. There's less on their part. And when you're dealing with young adults, not just high school students, but young adults period, this works a whole lot better than having to adjust that. When they go out into the trades, no matter whether it's welding or what it is, they can use these tools in their craft and it'll work just fine. They come in different varieties, different sizes. So I highly recommend Armor clamps to anybody who's out there.
All right guys, so quit playing with your knob. I promise you a giveaway. So to enter, just click the link down here in the description. You're gonna get 2 7-inch pairs locking C-clamp with and without pads. 2 10-inch locking C-clamp with and without pads. 2 11-inch locking C-clamps with pads and without pads. 19-inch locking C-clamp with pads and without pads. 2 10-inch automatic groove jaw pliers, 2 7-inch automatic needle nose pliers, 2 6-inch automatic groove jaw pliers, 2 8 compound leverage cutting pliers, 2 8-inch compound needle nose pliers, 2 9-inch compound leverage lineman's pliers, and a 54 by 25-inch fixturing table. So once again, to enter, go ahead and click in the link down here in the description. There's gonna be some details and all that stuff in there. I mean, this is an awesome prize package, awesome giveaway. Thanks to Armor Tool for allowing us to be a part of this. Hopefully you guys were able to learn some more about their products. You can spend a little bit more time being productive and less time playing with your knob. And until next time, make every weld better than your last.